Hello everyone. Today we will discuss few terms of chapter 14 statistics of class ninth. So first of all we should know what is statistics. So statistics deals with the collection of numerical facts, that is data, their classification and tabulation and their interpretation. So then here comes a term data. So what is data? The data can be defined as collection of information is called data. On the basis of methods of collection, data can be divided into two categories. First, primary data. Second, secondary data. So now let's discuss about primary data. Data which are collected for the first time by the statistical investigator or with the help of his workers is called primary data. Second, secondary data. These are the data already collected by a person or a society, and these may be in published or unpublished form. These are generally obtained from the following two sources. First is published sources and then the second is unpublished sources. Next term is classification of data. When the data is compiled in the same form and order in which it is collected, it is known as raw data. It is also known as crude data. For example, the marks obtained by 10 students of class ninth in Hindi out of 10 are as follows, and the marks are given in the table. Next term is variate. So variate define itself vary. The numerical quantity whose values varies in objective is called a variate. Generally, a variate is represented by x. There are two types of variate. First is discrete variate. Its magnitude is fixed. For example, the number of teachers in different branches of an institute are 30, 35, 40, etc. Second is continuous variate. So in continuous variate, the magnitude is not fixed. It is expressed in groups like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. So next term is range. The difference of the maximum and the minimum values of the variable x is called range. So we can write it in a formula, and that is range is equals to maximum value minus minimum value. Next is class frequency. In each class, the number of times a data is repeated is known as its class frequency. Now we talk about class limits. The lowest and the highest value of the class are known as lower and upper limits respectively of the class. For example, if a class is given 20 to 30, so then 20 is lower limit of the class and 30 is upper limit. Next is class mark. The average of the lower and the upper limits of a class is called the mid value or the class mark of that class. So its formula can be written as class mark is equals to lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So we will discuss few more terms in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you everyone.